Hey, lovely people. Oh, I'm parked again here with the sun on my face. Oh, well, that's how it is. Anyway, as you can see, I'm back. I went to the gym. Oh, it was hard. But it's good. I feel really good right now. But I wanted to talk just for a little bit about the question of whom do you want to be? Because one of the things that we did today, you'll see later when I post the workout, one of the things that we did is that we did a workout for time, and it was 50 box step ups and 50 kettlebell swings and 50 lunges, walking lunges, and all sorts of things like that. And you'll see, and 50 sit-ups, and 50 wall balls. It was it was meant to be hard. It was for time. So so I set myself an intention that I was going to finish it. I was going to do 50 of everything. I was not going to give myself any excuses. I've been catching up on some lives that I didn't watch during the week that I was traveling, and one of them was from my dear friend and mentor and coach, Riel Andrews. Some of you may have seen him in General Hospital. I don't generally watch soaps, so I didn't see him there, but yeah, he's a pretty cool guy. And Riel was talking about basically was talking about identity, about whom you want to be, whom do you want to become, how do you grow. And or maybe that was Jeffrey Combs. You know what, I listen to so many inspirational people, and they're not all men, although you might think so just listening to me, but I listen to so many inspirational people, and it's just the question is, whom do you want to become? And I set myself the intention that I was going to be a finisher. I've got this bracelet that I wear. It's nice. It's got purple beads, and it's got a cute little dumbbell fastener. It says "Live, Lift." And basically I got it as a reminder to myself that I want to be a finisher. All my life I have started things and not finished them. Hey, Jess, nice to see you. All my life I have started things and not finished them. Harass to you too. Don't you just love autocorrect? Yeah, I know, it's not your fault, it's stupid. But sometimes it corrects to badass. I like that one quite well. But anyway, so the question is, who do you want to become? And I wanted to become a finisher because, I've spent my life starting things and not finishing them, starting projects, starting business ideas and not finishing them. And so today I was a finisher. Today I did all the 50 things, and it may have taken me a long time, but hey, Robin, it may have taken me a long time, but I did it, and that was really important to me. I mean, it's early morning, and there were only a few people in the gym, so right now my time is the worst, and it may stay the worst. I said to the coach, I said, somebody's got to be at the tail end of the distribution of fixing the owners to the statistics form. So whatever, it doesn't even matter if I remain the worst or if somebody does it more slowly than me. It honestly doesn't matter because I'm only competing with myself. And I can say to myself on this day, back from holidays, not having been to the gym in over a week, although I did do a lot of walking, both in Nashville and especially in New York, that I am a finisher. I did all the things. So I'm really, really proud of myself. And do you want to be a finisher? I know my friend Jessica, who's on here, is a finisher. She did a lot of marathons and stuff. Totally cool. But yeah, I just want to leave you with that question. Whom do you want to be? Do you want to grow? Do you want to be someone who starts things and finishes them and gets that satisfaction of knowing that you did all the things that you promised yourself you would do? I know that that's what I want, and I wonder if it's what you want too. And I also wonder whether you would like some help along the way, because if you would, I've got a link up there, workwithhadas.com. Just click on that and schedule a call with me, and there's no obligation, it's just a free call. And then we'll see whether I can help you become whom you want to be. So everyone, have a great day. Remember, I love you. And remember, today's the day you're going to grow and become whom you want to be. Bye.